This time I'm building terminology, the monitor roof. So the monitor roof has a portion of the roof raised above the adjacent, usually flat or low sloped roof, having continuous vertical or near vertical glazing on the perimeter. So this lets a lot of natural light into the open spaces down below. It's also good if you have a second story. They use them a lot in prisons and that sort of thing where they need to see out from a high level.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.